So, laser levels. Well, that's what I resorted to. That and the plumb line. I reckon this is going to work out alright. I think we line up okay. So I've taken this line all the way through. It's gone down onto the bench there as well, you see. So that's spot on. Yeah, we're looking good. So that's enabled me to equalise those. And you can see we take it right down to the front here. Right down to the front, right in there, you see. So I reckon that's good enough. I think that gives us enough to work with. I think that lines up. So that's all right. We'll go with that, don't you think? That's centre, isn't it? Now I need to get this to the right height before I finally weld it on, and obviously I'll double check again by putting the bodywork on it, but for now I reckon that's all right. I reckon that works quite well. So with that, I'm going to call it a day.